What is an air pressure vibrator? How do they work? How do I know which one's right for me? Today in this video, stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what you need to know. An air pressure vibrator is a vibrator that provides optimal stimulation of the clitoris. The toy uses a sucking sensation, which are created by air pressure waves. Most air pressure vibrators are very similar in design, with a soft silicone mouth opening that provides wonderful stimulation during use, and you envelope it around the clitoris to provide the air sucking sensations. There's lots of air pressure vibrators to choose from beginners to more experienced. Let's take a look at a few. Let's have a look at a beginner's vibrator, the Satisfyer Pro 2 Next Generation. This is one of the most popular air pressure vibrators, which is perfect for beginners. It has lots of different settings and has even softer vibrations, so you can work your way from soft to more intense. Let's take a look at it in more detail. So this is the Satisfyer Pro 2. As you can see, it has a soft silicone mouth just here, which feels very soft and comfortable on the skin. It's very simple and easy to hold as well, so you can use this single-handedly. The control panel is at the back. To turn on, press and hold one time on the bottom button and the air pressure waves begin. You can use the plus button at the top to increase the air pressure waves. There are 11 to choose from soft to intense. To turn off the vibrator, simply push and hold down on the bottom button and it's now off. The silicone mouth is also removable for cleaning as well. Simply gently pull off like so, clean it with some toy cleaner and lukewarm water, and gently pop it back on, and it's ready to go. Here we have the Womanizer Starlet 3, perfect for beginners, and it's very compact, so you can easily hold it in one hand as well, and because of its discreet compact size, perfect for travel too. It is rechargeable and has a soft silicone mouth as well, similar to the Satisfyer Pro 2. Easily removable for cleaning as well, and you can interchange it for bigger or smaller sizes too. Using the control panel at the back, press and hold on the plus button for a few seconds, and it's on. Use the plus button to increase. Use the minus button to decrease those settings. There are 6 to choose from. To turn off, push and hold down on the minus button, and it's now off. Here we have the Lilo Sealer Sonic Cruise. Now this is a very slightly different design as we've seen with the Womanizer Starlet 3 and the Satisfyer Pro 2. It still has that soft silicone mouth just here, but the mouth is not removable, but it still feels very soft and smooth. The control panel is at the top just here. To turn on, push and hold on the plus button, and the vibrations begin. It's slightly different. Click on the plus button to increase the settings, and you can also use the middle button here to change the patterns. You can have lots of fun interchanging between the settings. There are 8 to choose from. To turn off, push and hold the middle button, and it's now off. It's also rechargeable. Some other air pressure vibrators to show. Here we have the Satisfyer Pro Penguin. It has a soft silicone mouth, which is removable, has a cute little bow tie, and is very simple and easy to use. Perfect for beginners. Whereas the Womanizer Premium 2 is better for more experienced users. It also has a soft silicone mouth, very similar to the others we've seen today, and it's also rechargeable. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other product videos in the collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not drop a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.